We're at our friends Multitrade Distributors this morning, where we're going to be having a chat to Mark Lotter, the sales director, as well as two gentlemen from Mitsubishi Hitachi Tool and Engineering. A little bit later, we'll be heading up to Hi Tek Machine Tools, who are having an open day, and Multitrade Distributors are supplying the tooling on the machines. Let's go inside and have a chat with them. So Mark, thanks for having us today. I see you've got two gentlemen over here from Mitsubishi Hitachi Tooling and Engineering. Would you like to let us know who they are and why they're out in South Africa?
Yes, great. Thanks, Lee, and welcome back to Multitrade Distributors. Yes, we're very fortunate today to have Gopi, who is the Vice President of Mitsubishi Hitachi Tool and Engineering, as well as the Applications Manager, Vanud. And they're out to get a better understanding of our market, visiting the branches, getting some feedback from our customers about the Hitachi range. And then they're also going to be joining us later at the Mazak Open Day show.
Gopi, tell me a little bit about your relationship with Multitrade Distributors, and also where do you see the mold and die industry in South Africa going forward?
Thank you very much for this opportunity, Lee. And before we go into our relationship with Multitrade, which has been a very long one, the parent company Mitsubishi has been associated with Multitrade for 36 years. Now, where Mitsubishi Hitachi Tool Engineering came in is a little bit different. So, in 2015, Mitsubishi bought into Hitachi Tool Engineering, and Hitachi Tool Engineering was a company which belonged to Hitachi Metals. And so, when Mitsubishi and Hitachi Tool Engineering came together and formed a new joint venture company called Mitsubishi Hitachi Tool Engineering, we decided that rather than go in with a third distribution company in South Africa, we would continue to grow our relationship with Multitrade. And over the last 2 years, we have started to grow our business through Multitrade here. Our products, Mitsubishi Hitachi Tool Engineering's products, are focused on the die and mold segment. We are very well known the world over for cutting tools related to die and mold segments. And as a company, what we've decided is that Mitsubishi and Mitsubishi Hitachi will work together in synergy. And so we have a two-brand concept, the Dia Edge brand for Mitsubishi material products and the Moldino brand for the die and mold industry. Over the last year or year and a half, we have started to actively come into South Africa. It's still early stages. However, we find that there is scope to grow our business here. The die and mold industry is not a very large segment in South Africa, but we have seen that there are many opportunities going forward. Our strategy for South Africa is to offer total solutions. There are many players in the market today. However, there are not many companies who offer the technical solutions. And that is where we are focusing on. What we want our customers is to understand our concept, which is what we call Production 50, which essentially is helping them to reduce their production cycle times by 50%. Let the customers understand what our high productivity products can do to reduce their cycle times, the productivity, increase the productivity, and thereby save costs.
Vinod, tell us a little bit about the Gallia range of tooling that you have here today and what makes it so special.
Yeah, actually, regarding the Gallia series, it comes under the Moldino, where the people already gave up to reduce the cycle time for finishing. That's why our Moldino comes the edge to innovation. So we focused on that area. Because of that, we introduced the Gallia series, where the Gallia series has a potential to reduce the cycle time for finishing without compromising the surface finish and as well as the dimensional accuracy. That's why let's take the one example. This is the tool which is having the diameter 20 but it has a radius 20. Means you can get the diameter 20 with R20. So that's why when you want to use this tool for optimize area, you can increase your stepper directly. It is by theoretical, and we already proved this with variety of the operations. And same way we have another series, we called it as a GF1 and GF2. It is the barrel tool concept. This tool has also two kinds of radius. One is the R20 and another is the R30. So if you took the diameter 16, it has a R20 and R30 combination. Means you have a diameter 60 and 40 in diameter 16. So this is completely unique change in the finishing market. So, and recently we are getting so many good feedback from the cam manufacturers, from machine tool manufacturers. Even though I would like to say you that many of the cam manufacturer, where the moment when we launch this series, we have only 3 cam manufacturer with us. And nowadays I can say proudly that right now almost 90% of the cam software has introduced our Galia series into their basket. Recently in the software like Mastercam, then Hypermill, then PowerMill, WorkNC, everybody has a Galia series tool library into their system. So this is what we are focusing on the market, and this is regarding the another product. And one moment I would like to say that we are the first who has introduced the barrel and lens tool in the indexable. So that's all regarding the Galia series. I believe that by using these kind of tools, even though customer is very price centric, but this tool can prove that it has a lot of potential to reduce their cycle time.
Hi Tek. We'll give you guys a short presentation showing and talking about the typical of the tooling that's currently will be used on the Amazons. So please enjoy.
Machines and the machine cost directly related to the per hour. So based on that, accuracy material cutting is also possible by using these tools. And these are some videos which are showing.
Thanks to Multitrade distributors and Hi Tek Machine tools for allowing us to bring you this presentation.